Oh yes, my lovely people. How you doing, guys? Oh yes, happy Monday, happy first day of the week, guys. Oh yes, my real people, my real fans. This Vera TV program in the building. Oh yes, my real fans. How do I look? Shall I look beautiful and look sweet this morning? Yes. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are watching me from. This Vera TV program in the building, guys. I love you all. Please, this video is going to my Vera Comedy TV, guys. Please don't fail to subscribe and please don't fail to give your opinion. Please don't fail, my beautiful people. Please don't fail, my beautiful fans. Please don't fail, my beautiful people out there, my lovely fans. Please don't fail, because we don't suppose to do live video for Vera Comedy TV, so that I get many things to do comedy. I told that I don't plan my comedy for ground, so I want make una help me, make una join me, so that we'll start our comedy there. Yes, so that we can start our comedy right there. Oh yes, my lovely people, my lovely fans. Oh yes, my people. Oh yes, my beautiful people. So what we want to talk about today now, wetin be say they go on for social media about fake life. Yes, about fake life, Bianca. Now, so I want to pepper Bianca. Yeah, you are going to my second channel, my third channel. Yes. So now know say inside the last 3 weeks, I be last 4 weeks, matter come dey when e be say we come dey talk about wetin dey go on. Stop that. About as they say they like to dey oppress somebody for social media. So na know say me, I'm a person that stand for the truth. I talk am the way e be. I no dey add, I no dey subtract. So my beautiful fans, I got to talk my own truth of the matter, because you see me, so I no dey fear to tell the fucking yansh. No. And when I stand on somebody's side, I stand on your side. Now I make, no matter how they try to bring me down, it will not work. You know why? When I stand for your side, I stand for your side. And when I support you, I support you. When I believe you, I believe you. I not be fufu for here, fufu for here, two-face. I'm not a two-face. Now I make us want to see me. So I'm a woman of my word. When I dey talk, I not dey joke. If I talk something, as I talk, and that's why I dey do am. I be me. Una see so. As I talk, and that's why they do am. So that period, I was so busy about our renovation, changing our apartment, doing many things. I was not having time, not get time to come outside to do video. So this useless one called Bianca, Mega Izeluwe. If I use you, your brain will turn upside down. Yes. Bianca begin dey insult me as if me and she have problem, or me and she don't get wetin we dey drag. I be not marry old man like you. I not there with old man. You know the shame, Bianca. Did you hear say my man a old man, old mama, you old papa? You hear say our papa, you know the shame. Girl as you are, they marry old papa. You know the shame. Ekwemuwe. You know the shame when you know about they show your man. So let me just tell you. You go enter one chance for my hand. You can't begin to do video. I go use you until your mama and your papa picture go load. I don't want to talk about that one. You don't already the set. Yes, and I go put pepper for your eye. Because as you see me, so that is the reason why I stay on my lane. I know they quit the interfere on people's matter or call the cost person because I won't use and give you. No. But I'm on my lane doesn't mean that we give you that privilege to be insulting me. To be insulting me, because now you get mine to talk to now you get mine to stand with Lolekia, and now God go punish you, Bianca. Bianca, let me tell you, you are totally useless. Who useless reach you? Not take this hurt, not take this life. You useless die. Ashewo no mama. You say I do ashewo. Ashewo no mama. People see do ashewo. You don't see what you use and they do. I can't give person 100,000 euro. I not keep myself. You the crazy. Measure that person. Ashewo. If you don't useless to my life, finish carry money. They give man. Some money I go give man. So I don't build mansion for man. Ashewo God punish you. Oh, you give money. Which woman you give money? Bring it out. If you are talking, talk with proof and let's see it. We don't need audio in this social media anymore. If you know it's not a man you give that money, Bianca, show a video, do a video, bring that person out. Because me, this one, I don't fit do business with woman. Even for Bogo, I'll do business with you, woman. You can't shop my money. Now, before me go even do business with you, I got to know everything about yourself. I know what can even do that 1 cent. I know what can I give you for this abroad. I know what can I give you at the end. I call the girls who send me because I don't get up. You cannot job me. I will not job you. So Bianca, you were saying on that video that now so Percy shop you. So now do this. I don't know how you talk. The money go. You not kill yourself. Bianca, show that person. Just show that person and bring it out, and let's see who that person is. Not by the talk for mouth, not by the rake. No. Show that person. Show that person. Bring it out. Let's see. After you don't use your life, your rest of your life, they do a shewo, you don't carry your money, give man, you can't regret. What will they talk? So that's the reason why you didn't see men that even say, hello, Bianca. Now you take come on, go marry old man for Papa Jiro. Yes. Who show you boy young man want marry you? After the whole shower you do, leave your in bed pikin, they leave them for house, they go come on, go they give am food, drink. Why they do? Leave and come out to go they do road work and shower. If they say make some of una suffer do a shower, I will say no. So they don't enter so many blood, even though they still dead 90 years, they see they find prick up and down. Now ask me then now you want now a man want use prick or want use brocos who give time? As far as I have my money, I can buy my clothes, I can look beautiful. Who care about your cassava? No. Who care about your cassava? If you like, can I go shook for this thing? So far I get money and they look good. So man, if you use pretend you me or call they say, I know shook you today, I'll call the crowd. Even my man with me and I say no. Me and they believe well, call put na or me and I call the draft on some me why now even they complain. Yes, because they just circumcise. I want me has circumcise him. Especially me. They circumcise me. 2 of us now they circumcise this. You know what I mean? I want me ta. No. And I like them like this. Yes, I like them like this. So man go come out anywhere like waka go not go get partition. Say, oh, that woman you too like prick. Oh, as I come on, I go the phone that person want fuck on. Nine. Since I've been with my man, never come one day. He see say person they run come out for room. No. Because they say every day for the thief, 1 day for the owner. Anything they do every day, 1 day the owner, the person must catch you. So as for me, my man never catch me like one or they say they cause they see your woman, person called the vandalize, not zero. You know me. Now even they put me for the thing. Have fun now, you understand? I know they every night you do first one, not go reach you, do second one, not go reach you. The imagine some women. They go they cry for prick. Some women go your day, man give you once in nourish, you give you second time. I now feel remember when I don't do 3 times a day or 2 times. You even seen it, but I have strength to walk. I have strength to clean my house. I have strength to make my kids look beautiful. I have strength to make my body look beautiful. But for that cassava aspect, I don't get strength. So when you see some women that like cassava, like this useless Bianca, where they live, they smell. Some of them, not all. Because they don't the strength they have when they see, even though they are sick, they won't die. When they see cassava, that will they pump. But when it comes to cleaning house, do the necessary work, domestic work, yes, but like they didn't wish. They deny. They didn't get that on and what they say now mama fortune, I can't come abroad. He don't tell us say na madam can't use that to pay mama fortune. He talk on. I be husband mama not still talk on. What is say what put your husband mama for one chance say yes mama oh na he go tell Balekbe say na husband mama bring and come abroad. Your husband mama say madam when you pay €1,000,000 for you not go put her for it is sweet me the way disgrace they made. Well, husband mama say madam when you pay €1,000 for not go put her for prison. Now she you won't go put for one chance. Can you imagine? Now I'll sit there. Women when they spoil, not they have to know. When they hear prick, they smile. Now they see Yori. Now they see Lolekia. Now they see the dinner again. Then many. Now they see Bianca. Bianca prick. Oyibo prick. Now they walk again. Bianca na blah blah boys they fuck on. Well, I go disgrace you. as Bianca take the open toto for Italy fed the depot before. Even married woman for Igbo stand she say fun lavono vate nene vala la la. Bianca go say the go supermarket go leave pikin for a senior daughter go come out go dey do ashewo agbe. Me and you na decent. She say I be in Germany, nobody go say don't see me for red light. Or you don't even see me and they walk out with another man. They enter, he has, they dodge, they go, they dodge, they come. Wow, look at them. Those set of useless people now present at the talk. So when they like prick, but when it comes to aspects of doing something, they don't have strength. Just to papa makeup for face, can they talk nonsense. If you reach prick, they have strength. But if prick, they don't see prick, they'll see them. They make you see the smile. Then again, a pampas she they wear. All he was big. Then I get the type pampers because all your vagina, I make it tell now what I say, that they so TOT. You don't know what that in me. Say that they so toto. You don't know why you talk like that. You know how many times they didn't get that so toto? Because even though you swear, nothing be like normal as God a creature. All the vap. All the vap. When God take create TOT, and they didn't get Bianca, Lolekia, and the useless, all of them. God is Yore, all the verb, all of them got cut. You know when go call live video, go say, now big cassava in the carry. Gambia sending go your call the call has he go pay them, they call vandalizer. Oh God. Now that was saying a prophet, in a pastor. You don't see them. As me, then I call pay man, say, come sleep with me. So I put me down. When some beautiful women will come and say 3-4 years, they never meet me. Some men, some they, you know, some they circumcise them. Yes. You already say they circumcise, they not circumcise anything. Woman, when they circumcise, you know, they like prick too much. Because that thing they scratch them. If they scratch them, if that clitoris is dead, they scratch them. They don't see cassava put, you don't want die. Oh, there is circumcised, as in when they really cut that thing, come out. You already stop lying. Stop lying. Woman, when don't feel come out, they come out, they pay man, make all the fuck, and you not circumcise. Not cause spoil beautiful women when it's circumcised. You are boy loud. You not circumcised, they didn't get no circumcised. What do they call them? We call itself, they didn't get Bianca, Klolekia, and Yori, they not circumcised. I mean, they talk about my circumcised. Waga circumcised, even though you put a care for Juju, Amadio Hash. Even though you put prick, put for Amadio Hashu, right? Lolekia, they then again, Yore and this useless Bianca. So quickly, even though they say, oh, Amadio, cassava, when you put for Yore, they then again and Bianca with Lolekia, then one carry more. You go quick them, shuka, African. You go quick them, put time. If the Amadio want kid, they make it kid. If the Ilala want kid, they make it kid. They don't want care. So those people will not have mind that the gods be talking to us. Are you mad? Are you crazy? So my beautiful fans, none of them circumcised. So Bianca one I just see so a shower when he pass another day. After she don't do a shower when be say small boy come to say one Mariam. The boy call collect him money, not call Mariam, they call break his side mirror. Now make one of the year they tell say bring this evidence out. Bianca, if now business you do when your friend, you say your friend carry your money, bring out the evidence. You people should stop to be talking about fake life. I say operation show what you have, blah blah. Operation show us anything you talk, show us. We don't need audio. Audio money, we don't need them. Audio I get property, we don't need them. Audio I get money, we don't need them. All now audio. So tell rude boy, don't use and sing. Say audio money, audio everything because you know they see him. Then again say you get millions. When I call the ask me call you the million, do something. I mean, see bed when they then again they sleep. We move well. No fit see money take bad bed and for me you enjoy yourself. Why headache not go kill you? Why your witch people not go beat you? Because when you see they sleep, you see be like say they sleep for covo, see they sleep for streets. We move well. After many years in abroad, they then again see bed when they sleep. Which day I come abroad? If you see bed when I fed the use when I throw away, that means now you no go throw away. Nothing doing, no breaking, no do kwaka. When you change so because the color of the pattern like so I got to look for more than one. So we call my platform and say because of that in the show your room I go show. Because if I talk in the audio, say okay, for example, as I come out that I can tell and say I dey busy with the time when Bianca take the craze when I not get time to do live video. Then I can tell and say I dey busy, want renovate. When I pour answer to this my question, all those haters out there, not be my real fans. So I can't tell and say we want renovate, we want do this, we want do that. A lot later and say we want renovate, I'm not telling a pass like that. Then time can't reach. I not show na anything. Even the house, I not show na when I say I renovate house. Everything when I say I buy, or your call live video, I buy this, oh, I buy wardrobe, oh, I buy our bed, oh, we buy share, oh, we may renovate, we change lights, we change everything, oh, Boris curtain, oh, everything, oh. Will you believe me? If I didn't show it, will you come and watch something and write it there, say, now because of it, they didn't get to show your room. If me not show this parlor, I not show my room. My kitchen remain, I go see show now. And as I sit there design my baby room, I go show now one day. Except maybe I don't want to show where my kids they sleep. But my kitchen, I go still show now. I want me design by reach me everywhere pepper soup. They don't already almost do and finish. Okay. Okay. If me not show now, you believe? Will you believe me? You not go tell me say I better go show us. We don't want to hear audio. Maybe you will write it there. I got to show it. It was show our own. I not borrow person money. How much was you can't draw me? Say hey, you say not get money. You dey hold me money. I beg you buy new something. Can't collect. Can't give me my money as they do for Bogo. When we say if you hold them money, no, buy new something. If you buy new something, they'll say you say you not get money. See money to buy new something. No, I am not holding anybody's penny. So I have the right to show everything. Okay. I'm not holding you. I'm not holding anybody. So I wish I didn't show. I say I buy brand new chair. I'm not sure. I say I buy brand new bed and my big wardrobe. No, not sign for Vera TV program. Go and watch it there. That wardrobe is brand new. See say the Tiriki. She won't say correct. Not be second one. You know second one. I'm not sure say go even correct. Brand new wardrobe. Go price that kind of wardrobe. Screenshot and go price that kind of wardrobe. We get big standing mirror. If you stand the mirror now, it top pass person. 2. Now I did the wardrobe now 5 doors, very big. Go and price it brand new one. Yes. And that bed and everything, go and price them. If me not show you, you know what say na audio live Vera they live. You know what say Vera bed, shut up your mouth. Everything we say you buy, we not see them. So I'm gonna show now waiting on not come as I call the deceive us. I show mine, so I'm gonna show my own. Before now come they say, Bianca, you say you give woman money, you do business, you not kill yourself. Show us who the woman be. Because me, there's a woman not shop my money, we say we want to do business, shop my money quick. Heaven and earth will know us. I buy for you the craze. After I don't fall prick finish. They did this one. They chop my money. Liar. Lie. So alright guys, thank you very much. I appreciate you. I'm about to end this video now. Alright. Bye.